Hey guys, just thought I'd run you through the process of how I go about dealing with repairing and replacing ball screws and ball nuts. You're going to sort of come across this path if you're handling CNC mills and other sort of CNC equipment that uses ball screws. So basically I start off with a clean area. I have a little container here just with a variety of parts I've sort of accumulated through damaged ball screws and whatnot. So a few nuts, little containers of balls, wipers, use a little pick here for just reseating the balls into the nuts. I'll probably do another video on that later. I've seen a few other videos that I didn't really like the way they did it, so I'll show you the way I do it. I use a little bit of the screw here, and it's a pretty critical way of doing it. So I'll show you that in another video. But yeah, I just sort of like to have a little kit there of a variety of parts, and then just a nice clean area. Rags, WD-40. I have a bit of PVC tube here that fits these ball screws perfectly. Just sort of made it up, and basically it just goes on the end of the ball screw here, fits on there like that. Just unwind the nut. Just be careful taking this off. Hold the tube, come straight off. Obviously no balls flying around anywhere. Back into the other one. And then straight on. Works every time. You don't have any dramas with it like that. Just make sure, critical, get the diameter, the outside diameter of the tube perfect. That's a critical point in making sure that runs smoothly. If you're probably watching this video, you've tried to do it and you had balls flying around everywhere. You're probably not going to get it the first go, but again, try and give yourself a nice clean environment, all your good parts sitting there, and all the parts are nice and clean. That's critical, because if you're replacing the ball screw, there was probably an issue with the ball screw, and you can just have a few damaged balls in there. It can stuff up your screw. You can stuff up your ball screws. So definitely have a clean environment, wash all your parts down, and you shouldn't have any troubles. Cheers.